everyone! I've gotten a lot of questions on Schoology regarding this Word Cloud Selfie assignment, so I'm going to show you step by step how to do it on the iPad. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take a selfie. I'm not going to take a selfie right here. I've already taken my selfie right here. You're going to want to pick one that you like, one that expresses who you are, and then you're going to want to open up your Safari app. Now when you get to Safari, you are going to want to go to the website remove.bg. Now, what this website does is it removes the background of the image. So, for example, if I were to put my current video into this website, what it would do is it would eliminate all of the American flag and the printer and the background of my image. What we're going to do is we're going to upload that selfie that we took into this program. And as you can see, all of a sudden we've got ourselves a brand new selfie. Now, it didn't do a perfect job, but it did its best, and this is acceptable. Alright, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to hit that download button. Do not download high res. It's going to ask you to create an account. Not worth it. So we're going to hit that download button. Do you want to download it? Yeah, download it. Okay, so I'm going to double check my camera roll. It's not there. So if it's not there, you see this little circle that I am flashing right now with the arrow. You're going to want to click that, and you're going to want to open it. Hit that, the flashing square and the arrow. You're going to want to save image. Okay, so when you've saved your image, it should now be in your camera roll. All right. Next, you are going to go back to Safari, and you don't have to have Remove BG up anymore. If you like editing photos and things, this is a great website that you could. That's a great website that you could use to do that. Next, you're going to go to wordart.com. Okay. When you get here, you're going to click create. As you can see, this is going to be like a real fun thing. You can do word clouds in different shapes. In fact, might be a fun tool for you to use for your other classes too, if your teacher ever asks you to make something like this. You're going to hit create now. And we wait. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to choose 12 words that describe ourselves, and we're going to type those words in. So I'm going to put my 12 words: smart, cool. We're going to say energetic, fun, passionate. You can use whatever words you want to create this word cloud selfie. In fact, I can even say, I'm a teacher. I like to dance. I could say dancer. I could even put something like, for you all, you could put something like your future job. So I could say future technologist. But you're going to fill in 12 words that describe you: adjectives, nouns, sister, brother, daughter, friend. You can put whatever you want in here. This is to help you get to know your class and help me get to know you a little bit better. I'm only going to do a few words because I think you get the idea. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to move on to the shapes category. So you're going to click that, and then where it says add image, right here, you can see it kind of flashing on my screen. All right, you are going to upload an image from your computer photo library, and you're going to take that removed background selfie that we just made. All right. So you can manipulate this however you want. My recommendation is you want as much of you in this photo as possible. In fact, I'm going to take off some of the edges because I don't necessarily want them there, so you can edit this how you want. When you do that, you're going to hit OK. Alright, so in order to get an idea of what your word cloud might look like, there's this red button right here in the middle. It says visualize. You're going to press that, and poof! We have our first word cloud. This is not done by any stretch, but we are still going, we got some adjusting to do. Alright, next we're going to go to fonts. You can pick any of these fonts that you want, as long as they are, as long as they're readable. If you know, I probably wouldn't pick like Wingdings. My friends describe me as bubblegum, so I'm going to use Bubblegum Sans. And hit visualize, and you can see the changes. Okay. Next, you're going to go to layout. Now, you can change the way that these words appear in your word cloud. For example, I could hit this random, visualize, and watch how it changes my word cloud. Now my words are all over the picture. You could do any of these. I would not recommend doing custom. You see how that was like, this is super complicated. If you want to get into angles, that's fine, but I firmly believe in just keeping it simple. So I'm just going to do random. I like that. Okay. Next, we're going to go to style. Now, this is kind of important. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to change this background image picture to 25%. As you can see now, look, I'm a person. You can start to see me. All right, you can also change these up a little bit. You can make them bolder. I wouldn't change that if I were you. I would just stick with what's in the shape. All right, we're going to hit visualize, see how everything's looking. All right, I'm a firm believer in just playing around with it, seeing what all we've got. You know, we could change our density here. So have fun with these settings. See what each of them do. All right, then I'm going to change my color emphasis to be a little bit less so you can see my face just a little bit better. At that point, visualize. Dun, da, da, da. You have a cool word cloud selfie. Now, if I were you, if you have better lighting, I do not have great lighting in this classroom, I would use a better selfie. In fact, the examples that I have in the media album, I've used a lot better lighting. I used a ring light, so if you want to use a better lighting, it's going to make your selfie pop even more. All right, next thing you're going to do is you're going to hit download up here at the top. Download that thing as a standard PNG. Do you want to download it? Yeah, I want to download it. Hit that circle with the arrow again. Click your word art selfie. You're going to hit that square with the arrow again. Save image. Whoop, there it is. Next, what you would do is you'd go to your photos. So we went from this selfie with very, very poor lighting to this removed background image. Finally, to our word cloud selfie. From there, hit that square with the arrow, and you are going to want to submit it to Schoology. Now, I don't have the Schoology app on my iPad, just because I prefer the online version. I prefer the Safari version of it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. I am here for you. I want you all to nail this. And, you know, I could ask you to write an essay or do a get-to-know-you assignment in a different way, but I think adding this selfie component just makes it a little bit more fun. And it's honestly more my style of what I do. So let me know if you have any questions, and hopefully this video was a big help.